we have to ensure that insurance should spread in every nook and corner of the country. So that is our once again we remind that we are here to spread insurance.
वेस्टर्न जोन उधर
But
खाली आप
if we
लोगों
see
का
to the
सीट।
numbers,
प्लीज सर
numbers
समझिए।
are going down. Last year, we
Ma'am,
could
please.
secure around 1.75 crore policies. बात तालियों की नहीं है दोस्तों, तालियां बजा सकते हैं, but we have to remember that at some point of time we did 3.80 crore policies. 3.80 crore पॉलिसी से चलते चलते हम 1.80 crore पॉलिसी पे आ गए। This is not the time to rejoice. This is a time to rethink and restart. How we can improve our position in this competitive world where we are the market leaders. So leader is one who shows the way to others. I think the objective of today's meeting, today's gathering is also to know how we can do that. That lost legacy we have to regain, friends. इसलिए आज हम सबको सोचना होगा कि किस तरीके से हम वो अपनी खोई हुई विरासत को पा सकें. So that is again the purpose of today's meeting. We always say this is our मातृ संस्था, हमारी माँ की तरह है ये. इस माँ ने हमको पाल पोस कर यहाँ तक पहुँचाया है. My old friends who are life members, they have not forgotten it. They have started their innings with small steps. And today, this is a giant organization and we boast upon our data. हम बेस्ट ब्रांड हैं, हम इतनी किसी देश की जनसंख्या नहीं है जितने हमारे पॉलिसी होल्डर्स हैं. All those things we boast upon. But again, where is the protection gap? हमारे पास जो इंश्योरेबल पॉपुलेशन है उसका कितना परसेंट हमने कवर किया? All those things we have to understand and we have to start afresh. मैं बात कर रहा था मातृ संस्था. तो जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं दोस्तों तो अपनी माँ का ख्याल करते हैं. So today we have to take care of our mother who has taken our care all through years. And we are here because of our mother LIC. एक बार LIC के लिए तालियां बनती हैं. So friends, today we need to understand हमारी माँ को क्या चाहिए आज, what is needed and what we are doing. We must understand the need of LIC, the need of the market, the need of our business. So we need to grow, we need to prosper, we need to earn. That is the objective of today's conference. Rest friends, when I welcome you to Indore city, I must make you aware that we have two Jyotirlingas over here, Mahakal and Omkareshwar. You can plan if you have time, you can go और आप दर्शन कर सकते हो भगवान शिव के. There is Kajrana temple, Lord Ganesha, that is locally situated. आप वहाँ जा सकते हो. There is Chappan Dukan, 56 shop, that is also one milestone. There you can go and have some good time. There is Sarafa. That starts in the evening at 11 or something. That is a food street. आप जाइए वहाँ खाने का आनंद लीजिए. But again याद रखिए दोस्तों, इस enjoyment के बीच में we have our objective and that is what I am getting out of my profession. For what I have joined LIC. Maybe 20 years back, 30 years back, I do not know कोई शायद 15 साल का भी हो सकता है, 10 साल का भी हो सकता है। मैं अपने लिए क्या निकाल रहा हूँ? What objective I had in my mind when I joined this corporation and what I have got out of it. What I am giving back to the organization. See, organization has given me everything, anything. But what I am giving to the organization, that again I have to deliberate upon. मैं क्या पा सकता हूँ, ये भी मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा, और कैसे पा सकता हूँ, ये भी मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. And also I have to pay back to LIC because LIC मेरी मातृ संस्था है. खत्म करने से पहले दोस्तों, I would like to have that rallying cry for today's meeting, जो हम अपने जोन में हमेशा बोलते हैं. जहां ध्यान जाएगा वही परिणाम आएगा. आप कभी भी किसी भी चीज को उठाकर देखें, wherever you focus, you get the results. So today's conference has that purpose. We have to focus, we have to get results, and we have to make our own organization greater and greatest. Thank you very much also. Once again, welcome. Thank you.